Yep guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start it and let it run for 5 minutes. Let's see how it does, because it's been sitting on a week and it's the alternator that got installed a week ago. That took like right at 5 seconds to start it, which is weird for a brand new alternator. I don't know how old the starter is without looking at the papers. So which means I'll let it run for 5 minutes. And I'll look through the papers here soon, probably see when that starter was put on last. Because starter could be going out in no time. Or it could be something in regards to the batteries. Huh. No, that's decent. 13.4, 13.5 battery voltage. Yeah, I'm gonna look see what the last time starter's been replaced on this thing, because I can't remember, because I barely looked over it when it got the paperwork. I'll let you guys know. Oh, that new alternator has a limited lifetime warranty. Starter 2020. September 27th, 2020 possibly? September 27th, 2020. September 27th, 2020. Seems like the newest starter. you guys keep an eye on the YouTube community tab by going to the YouTube homepage or going to the community tab on my YouTube channel. And please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload YouTube videos, upload YouTube shorts, and when I go live on YouTube. And so bye guys, peace, I'm out.